Hi, in this video I will talk about the tax deduction for the costly legal fees. The legal system in Canada is complicated and out of reach for the majority of people. One important reason for that is the fact that the cost of getting the answers to legal questions is generally very high. In most cases, the need to seek out and obtain legal services and of course to pay for them is associated with life's more unwelcome occurrences and experiences such as a dispute over a family estate, a divorce, or a job loss. While there are some tax remedies available, the tax deductibility of legal and other professional fees is not straightforward and depends on who is paying them and in what context. If you earn business income, reasonable expenses for advice and assistance in preparing and filing your tax return are generally tax deductible. If you only earn employment income on the other hand, then those particular costs are not deductible. For example, if you operate a small business and hire a lawyer to draft a contract for you to collect unpaid debts, those fees are tax deductible. Fees paid for personal reasons such as a divorce are not deductible. There are several examples when legal fees that are not paid to earn income can still be tax deductible. These instances are specifically mentioned in the Income Tax Act. For example, where the Canada Revenue Agency reviews or challenges income amounts, deductions, or credits reported or claimed by you for a tax year, any fees, which in this case also includes the accounting fees, paid for advice or assistance in dealing with the CRA's review, assessment, or reassessment, or in objecting that assessment or reassessment can be deducted by you. A deduction can similarly be claimed where you incur such fees in relation to a dispute involving employment insurance, the Canada Pension Plan, or the Quebec Pension Plan. Well, in the world of family law disputes, the question of tax deductibility comes up frequently. While you cannot claim legal fees you incurred to get a divorce or a separation or to establish the custody or visitation arrangements for your child, you can deduct certain other fees paid. These include fees paid to collect late support payments or obtaining an increase in support payments. You see, the marriage breakdown can lead to certain legal consequences, such as the equalization of assets. It very often happens that a spouse's pension plan has to be shared on the breakdown of a marriage, which might lead to legal costs associated with the winding up of the pension plan. Unfortunately, even if it could be said that there was a business purpose to the professional fees paid, there is a specific rule in the Income Tax Act that states that the legal expenses related to the division or settlement of a pension plan arising out of the breakdown of a marriage are specifically not deductible. If you are still concerned about whether you'll be able to deduct the legal fees, ask your lawyer and/or chartered professional accountant to help you out. Thanks for watching this video and see you in my next video. If you want to be notified about my new tax updates, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel.